and Mentone to the finish line. Don't cut out Williamstown in this race. She's running fiercely behind them, but it looks like Campbell Holden, possibly Mentone, are going to take it. No? Yeah, Campbell Holden, Mentone, Williamstown.
As they round the yellow cones and into the front straight, Sandringham and Knoxville charging. Line and battle out the front. Middleman will be Diamond Valley, who will get just ahead of the Longford. Charging towards the finish line. Wangaratta into Keilor and Albury. Will Keilor have enough time to pass the Wangaratta boy on the line? It looks
he's
like
claimed victory.
Wangaratta may have just got him on the inside, followed by Keilor and Albury.
So Mowie's coming back up through the field now. We've got Mowie in 6th position in lane 6. We're actually going to take him back first. We've got Doncaster in 3. We've got Keilor in 4. It looks like it's going to be a battle between Doncaster and Keilor, and they're actually racing stride for stride, but Mowie's even sneaking up on the outside. Looks like it's